Que bola, mi gente, hijos de la chingada, dale pues, que loco. No, I'm just kidding. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Today's actually going to be a really good day today because we're finally going to take out the motor and finally get this little rebuild going of the KA24. I've been missing the car for forever. I want to start driving, I want to start drifting again. So we're going to go to the shop early up in the morning, try to see if we can get this motor out done quick and see what's going on with the motor. Figure out how much it's gonna be, see if we gotta take the head to the machine shop. We're gonna do all that stuff. And we actually gotta see if the car's gonna make it to the shop first, because remember, it has to run now. We just don't know when it's gonna blow, so we're gonna try to drive slow and see if we can make it. Alright, enough talking, let's go. Meet up with Adam, go to the shop, alright? Okay, now since from the last video where the motor did actually end up getting the rod and it blew, I have not driven the car since then, so it's gonna be my first start. Don't know what's gonna happen. I hope it turns on and hope we can make it over there, but let's go and try and find out. Okay, key on, car neutral, come on, don't let me down, baby. Woo, that sounded horrible, but it starts. Now let's not waste some time and let's go over there. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but if you listen carefully, there is a little slight knock just on idle. I can't really hear it, but it's there, so I'm just gonna be very careful and hope nothing happens to us. We got bad news. Halfway on the way to the shop, and the car, nah, I'm just kidding, we made it down! Woo! Car made it in one piece, nigga, fuck with me! Like I said, car made it in one piece. It still looks clean, it's dirty. It's crazy. Blown motor, but it still looks clean. Woo! So I don't know if you guys know about taking off engines. It's actually very easy. All you gotta do is just take everything apart until the engine comes out. Very, very easy. We're gonna do that right now. No, I'm just kidding, but let the process of the engine removal begin. Alright, so quick update on the car. I haven't been really recording because we're actually trying to work. Adam's doing most of it. Well, Adam and JC are doing most of it. I'm just watching. But still, as you know, we got the radiator out, starter, most of the things. The tranny's loose already. Just need a couple more things to take out the motor, the power steering pump. I don't know what else. I'm just watching. Yeah, but we also did notice as we were going. Peep this. Can you guys see that moving? The tie rod ends are bad. Yeah, that's probably why the car actually felt weird when I was drifting. I always felt like I just didn't say anything because I thought I sucked. But at least now we know both sides are bad. The right side's worse than the left side, but whatever, should be fine. So we got the intake here, the tie rod ends. As of right now, so far so good when it comes to the first removal. And we're gonna finish it probably within the next hour or so, I believe. But yeah, I'm trying to get more footage. The GoPro died, so I stopped a little time lapse. But we'll keep it going. We'll see right here. All right. All right. So we think everything is loose and ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and try to take the engine out. See if everything's good. What do you guys think about that clutch? Good condition, right? Psych. So you can see the motor is now on the engine stand, and we're gonna start taking it apart to see what happens. Checking out the oil pan. It has some hits, stents. Status update. Majority of the parts are out. Almost there, down to where the pistons and the block and everything. Now we're gonna label everything so we can be all legit and organized. But so far so good with the progress. So far so good with the progress. So this is a fast forward from yesterday because my camera and my GoPro died last night. But as you can see, we got majority of the parts out. The pistons are over there, and we have found the problem. You guys want to see it? It's very, very bad. But I'll show you. So for the people who have not opened up our motor before, I'm just going to show you guys here. That is the crank. This is the crank case. These are the pistons with the connecting rods. The wrist pins are in there. This is the distributor. This is where the cam, it's too dark, hold on, cams, you see it's dual cam. Everything else is missing. Oh, we got the valve cover right here. There's a couple things, everything, alternator, everything's put off hard, but it's cool. Alright, so I just want to show you guys, I guess, the problems we have found in this case scenario. So as you see, this is piston number 2, and yeah, that's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to be actually a huge snug tight fit. And if you see here, you can't really see it, but it's super dirty, but there's some scratches there. We don't know how deep they are. We're gonna have to figure out, see if it has to be, get a new piston or redone, because the scratches are actually pretty bad right there. The rod itself looks pretty good. I mean, nothing really damaged. The wrist pins don't look damaged either. We're gonna have to check it out though, but see if I can open this up for you guys real quick. Yeah, it's not supposed to be that hard either. Okay. Yeah, you see this? I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but yeah, we're assuming what happened was that this water got into the system and just messed everything up. It's the same thing here on this side, and all the pistons are exactly the same, or at least the rods, everything is about exactly the same, and yeah, it's a little messed up. Alright, so I'm gonna hold the camera here. I'm gonna have Adam explain exactly what happened because he would explain it better than I do. What exactly happened here?
Well, because of the lack of oil, the bearings got so hot that it actually changed the shape of the bearing. As you can see, there's a lip here. Look,
yeah.
See the difference? Right here. See how it looks nice and straight? Look at this side. You can kind of see there.
Damn.
How it's very rounded off.
A little messed up.
When it's supposed to be flat, like this.
That's because of not enough oil in that system.
Lack of oil.
That's probably because of the leak of the ream seal that we had. So yeah, a little messed up, but yeah, it happens. And we're here at the top of the piston head. At least the detonation was fine. So I guess the oil was just a problem overall in the end. But you learn. So you got here the piston rings. Hold on, let me focus in. So the top ones look good, but you see the one where the oil ring goes? That actually it's really gunky. Yeah,
and
man.
Seized.
And seized up. It's, yeah, when they say oil is very important in the motor, it is, and you can see why. Don't have my mistake, or don't make my mistake. So there's the block. If you look inside, I mean, I think there's some presence. There was some water in there, and can't actually 100% tell. I gotta do some further look. Yeah, right there. You see that? That's no good. Not good.
me zoom in real quick.
That's not good. Very not good. Alright, so that's enough filming for today. We have the motor all taken apart. We already sent the head over to the machine shop. So now basically it's just a waiting game on just ordering parts and waiting till the head comes back from the machine shop. Like I said, we're just rebuilding the motor. We're not doing anything crazy, you know, crazy internals. We're going to check over the pistons just to make sure. I think I saw some scratches there. I hope they're not that bad. And I think we might hone the block a little bit because it doesn't look that bad either. But under further inspection, we'll just see what goes on. But for now, the plan is just to get the car running back as fast as we can, just to get more sliding in and practice. I don't plan to do the new motor build anytime soon, because I think skill time and seat time is way more important. But we're just going to see in due time. So this is part 1 of the video. The next part will be the rebuilding of the motor, and it should be in a couple of days. Hopefully it's quick. But for now, it's just a waiting game. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions, if you guys don't know about motors and want to learn, I'll be able to answer as much as I can. I don't know that much myself, so I'm not the expert, but I'm able to make it happen with the help of people who do know. So in the end, that's all that matters. You help everybody else, they help you. You learn it all in the process. I'm just going to keep on talking. That's just normal. Alright, so you guys have a great day, and dale.